Hello people and welcome in another video. In the last few days I counted how many cars I actually have, and I have 7 BMWs. Of course, you first have your daily BMW. You will need a winter beater because you don't want to mess up your daily at winter. And then an auction happens, so you decide, well, buying E46 at an auction would be cool. And then you decide, well, nobody really drifts E60, so I will definitely buy an E60 winter beater. But then a summer might come, so you will need a cabrio for those sunny summer days. And when it rains, you will need an older project car to work on. And hey, well, drifting in winter was fun, so you will also need to buy a drift car. And as per my previous video, the last addition to the collection, let's call it collection, was my E60 winter beater. Oh yeah, that is right. But because I have so many cars, I need to get rid of some cars. So we'll go over one more time for my Police Auction E46. I now have more information on why it was sitting with the police for 5 years and what previous owner did. I will also go over what's actually still wrong with the car based on technical inspection. So this will probably be quite a short video, but I feel like I need to explain the car, what's still wrong with it and its story to finish off, as I did make a series of videos about this car. And it would feel wrong to just sell the car without finishing its story with me. But to sell the car, I will need to change wheels because these wheels don't actually fit the car. They are actually for my E34. So let's put on those wheels and then we can dive into what's wrong with the car. So let me first say, the videos I make, I work on cars that I want to work on. I just make videos because, well, I find it fun to make videos and actually they motivate me to work on cars, but I still only do really things that I like to do. There is no point of restoring a car or going into really much detail in a car if you do not really enjoy it. So the car, of course, still has problems and you do need to work on it, but of course I will disclose that all to the next buyer and I will not hide all those things from him. I just really don't have time to work on all the cars and I don't really have plans for this one. I have winter beaters, drift cars, summer cars, older project cars, things that I would enjoy a lot more than working on this one. So, while we are at the rear here, we can actually check what's more wrong with the car. And it's actually all to do with rust and all to do at the rear of the car. First issue is that this inner part of fender has rusted out. There is a hole here. Should not be too much of a trouble to make a patch here, but it's not really something I want to deal with. The next issue is brake lines. You can see this is rusted brake line and that also did not pass technical inspection. The last part that did not pass technical inspection is springs. For some reason they wrote up for the springs that they are like too rusted or something. I don't really know. They have not cracked and they look fine to me, but yeah, the springs did not pass and that's also a really simple change. And the last main thing that I really do not want to do on a car is the clutch. This car's clutch is slipping quite badly and that's really not a project I want to take on. Should not be too much of an issue to take the transmission off, change a clutch, but I'd really rather spend my time working on other projects and other cars that I have and make videos about those. Okay, with that car heading to its new owner tomorrow, let's talk a little bit about why the car was sitting for 5 years at police auction. And the story actually is neither long or complicated. The previous owner of this car was busted with a few grams of and a legal battle ensued, during which time the car was arrested with police. So the legal battle took 5 years, and thus the car was sitting for 5 years. And when the battle ended, police sentenced him to 3 years prison time, and the car was finally auctioned off, which is when I bought it.
Yeah, man, I remember being so naive when life was good, weather and palm trees. Back in the day, you were everything I need. But then along came a time when you crushed my dreams. Oh, yeah, you played me like a fool.
It does not run great.
That the line between love wasn't thick enough to read. Oh, yeah, you see, we in the spare crime everywhere. You're selling false hope, cause you just don't care. Nah, you just don't care. Nah, you just don't
Oh,
care.
yes.
You just don't. Still
Finally
selling false
goes.
hope, cause you just don't.
Okay, I'm not that sentimental, didn't really care that much about the car. Let's get rid of that. I'm already in my next fun car, my E60 Winter Beater. Yes, this is going to be fun. So like, subscribe, check out the playlist for my Police Auction series, and hope to see you in the next video.
I don't know, but all I know is that we still rocking them chains, still taking that wheel, still trying to get paid, still trying to find God, still trying to act.